This is a lie that a lot of people still believe, and honestly, it makes me really upset. You don't need a realtor. Save money by marketing your home as a for sale by own. Don't buy a house. And renting is better are all myths. You're being lied to, and today we're gonna be debunking some common real estate myths that don't make a lot of sense. One, looking at homes is the best first step. Honestly, going to open houses is not the ideal first step, but my peers and I have found that the people that you meet at open houses are the best. And I'm gonna tell you why. They took the time out of their day, drive, saw your open house signs, you probably did them pretty bad, and they took the time to go inside. They made a connection, and if you're a really good agent, you gotta connect with them. So I'm gonna go ahead and say, truth. It's not the ideal first step. Number one should always be to get pre-qualified, but it does not take a lot of commitment to just hit up somebody, DM somebody, call somebody, and just say, hey, I'm interested in getting pre-qualified. Because a lot of times, from personal experience, they don't even show up. So open houses is a good first step, although it's not the best first step. So although the open house that I meet you in might not be the house that I ultimately help you buy, it is a good first step, in my personal opinion, but it's not the best. 2, a down payment is the only upfront fee, also known as an initial deposit or a good faith deposit. Is not, unfortunately, this is a myth, it's not the only upfront fee. You're also gonna need to pay for the inspection, anywhere from $400 to $800, as well as the appraisal. So that's too much in a row. Put the counter up. You don't need an agent to buy a house. Why do I do that? I always emphasize words. This is true. You can sell a home without an agent. In fact, you can even buy a home without an agent. Do I recommend that? That's a whole different story. And I'm not even being biased. You could get sued. Number 4, you need about 20% down payment, as well as closing costs to buy a home. This is a lie that a lot of people still believe, and honestly, it makes me really upset. No. You don't need 20%. In fact, you need anywhere from 3%, 3.5%, all the way to 5%. So 20% is a lie that I don't know who spread the notion of a false pretense, but now you know, 3%. So, huge myth! Number 5, you can get pre-qualified with as little as 580 credit score. This is true, although you might get some of the highest interest rates, and you are going to need to put a little bit of a higher down payment. But hey, you wanted that house, right? You should have worked on your credit score, but you didn't. Now you're paying the price, but I can still help you. When selling a home, and pay attention here, if your listing price is low, does that mean you're gonna sell low? No, it actually doesn't work that way. According to National Association of Realtors, in fact, this strategy of listing low means that you'll statistically speaking, end up with more money in your pocket. So, that's another myth. Are real estate commissions negotiable? Look, I'm reading here, I don't even need to tell you that. They are negotiable. Agents will not negotiate for that. A lot of people know their worth. The only time, honestly, that a seasoned veteran, someone that's really good, or even someone just starting off, will list lower is if they are gonna help buy your home. For example, if my commission split is 6% of the entire property selling price, I might go 4% for listing, and then take the 2%, which is the average that the selling agent gives for buyers agents. So I'll still make my 6, but it's spread out. Another one that I thought of straight off the dome: do you have to pay for a realtor to help you buy a house? Do you pay for that? Who pays for that? What do you think pays for that? Who pays for that is if, let's say, I meet you at an open house, and I'm not the listing agent, and you say, hey, Rodrigo, I like your style. That's me how I dress in real estate. I want a picture. I want you to help me buy the home, right? But I don't have any money to pay you. What I'm saying, it's your lucky day. You don't pay me anything. The person that pays the buyer's agent is the seller pays for both commissions, but they take money out of the listing agent's commission. Does that make sense? Am I being? It doesn't make sense, though. Okay, that makes sense. She says it makes sense, so it better make sense to you. That's basically all the questions, and because I'm having such a good day, I'm gonna just answer some frequently asked questions, some FAQs. Okay, how do I report an unethical real estate agent? Well, depends on the laws, but for example, if I do something wrong, you can contact my broker. If an agent does something wrong, contact the broker. If the broker does something wrong, well, contact the board. What costs and commissions is common for a buyer to be expected to pay? So typically what happens is, like I just mentioned, the listing agent pays, the seller pays for both listing and buyer's side. I'm not sponsored. You're gonna need to pay for your closing costs. If you have a good agent, like Rodrigo Romero, Realtor Rodrigo Romero, it'll help you get some money for closing. I've done it for a lot of my clients. You are gonna need to pay for the title, insurance, as well as the inspection and the appraisal. So that's just some, like, breaking up with someone is a hard thing. Just imagine if that someone was the one helping you buy a house. A question that's frequently asked is, can you break up with your real estate agent, realtor? Yes, you can. Do they want you to? No. You always ask them that you want to be released, and then they should be able to release you, and then you can write a deal with me. So if you're interested in purchasing a home, or you're interested in some more videos, and if you want to help me get out of this place where a dog barks, please subscribe. Any video suggestions, let me know in the comments below. I appreciate your comments. If you think this video sucks, let me know. How can I get better if you don't tell me that I suck? Exactly. Exactly. But honestly, thank you guys. I reached 151 subscribers. You guys are the real ones. You guys are the real MVPs, the real MVPs, and I appreciate you guys. More videos on the way. Home tours are coming. More other multi-million-dollar homes. I'm trying to get them. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next time. Thank you.